Jai Shri Ram. In the Bhishma Parva, which is the sixth Parva in the Mahabharata, chapter 23rd, Krishna tells Arjuna that he should utter the Durga Stuti in order to defeat his enemies. Shuchir Bhutva Mahabaho Sangrama Abhimukhe Sthitaha Parajayaya Shatrunam Durga Stotra Mudiraya. That is, Krishna is saying this, Sri Bhagavan Vacha. So, O Dhananjaya, O mighty armed hero, Shuchir Bhutva, purifying yourself. Chant the Durga Stuti in order to defeat your enemies. So, Sanjaya is reporting. Sanjaya says, thus addressed by Krishna, Arjuna alighted from the chariot and chanted the stuti. Eva muktorjuna sankhye vasudevena dhimata avatirya radhat partha stotramaha krutanjalihi. Arjuna vacha. Namaste siddhasenani arye mandaravasini kumari kali kapali kapile krishna pingale. O Lord of the yogis, dweller of the Mandara forest, and identified with Brahma, I bow to you, O goddess who is ever young and sans decay, O Kali, wife of Kapala, Shiva, who is black and brown in color, Kapile, Krishna Pingale. Okay. Bhadrakali namastubhyam Mahakali namostute Chandi Chande namastubhyam Tarini Varavarnini. I bow to you. O goddess who showers benefits on your devotees, O wife of the universal destroyer, I bow to you again and again. Okay. Then she also possesses all auspicious attributes, and she rescues her devotees from all dangers. Katyayini Mahabhage Karali Vijaye Jaye Shiki Pincha Dhvajadhare Shiki Pincha Dhvajadhare Nanabharana Bhushite. Who Katyayini Mahabhage sprung. So Katyayani is the daughter of Rishi Katyayana Gotra, who did tapas to beget a daughter. So Katyayani Mahabhage Karali Vijaye Jaye Shiki Pincha Dhvajadhare Nanabharana Bhushite. So she is the goddess who is the daughter of Katyayana. She is worshipped by all, and she has a terrible aspect. She confers victory. She is victory herself, and her flag has the device of peacock plumes, and she wears all divine ornaments. Attashula praharane khadga khetaka dharini. Attashula praharane khadga khetaka dharini Gopendrasyanuje. That means the sister of Krishna. Jeshte Nandagopa Kulodbhave, born in Nanda's dynasty. That is Krishna's foster father. So, Attashula Praharane. She carries a majestic spear, a very fearful spear. Rakshasas tremble when they see the spear that she holds. And she also holds a sword and a shield. Attashula Praharane Khadgakhetaka Dharini Gopendra Syanuje Jeshte Nandagopa Kulodbhave. Next, Mahishasruki Priye, Mahishasruki Priye, lover of the Rakshasa Mahishasura's blood. So she will not tolerate these Rakshasas. Mahishasruki Priye Nityam Kaushiki Pitavasini. She was born in the race of Kaushika Rishi and she wears yellow silk. Attahase Kokamukhe Namaste Sturana Priye. She destroys all the asuras, rakshasas. She loves battle. And she has a terrific laughter also, which the asuras get terrified when they hear her laughter. Next, Ume Shakambhari Shvete Krishne Kaithavanashini Hiranyakshi Virupakshi Sudhrum Sudhumrakshi Namostute Vedashruti Mahapunye Brahmanye Jatavedasi Jambukataka Chaityeshu Nitya Sannihitalaye. O Uma Shakambari, white complexioned and black complexioned, and she is also a destroyer of all the asuras, especially the Kaitava. Oh, yellow silked, and whose eyes are everywhere, and she sometimes appears in a smoke colored complexion. I bow to you. You are the Vedas, you are the Shruti, you are the greatest of all virtues. You are propitious to all Brahmanas who are engaged in yajnas. You possess the knowledge of the past, present, and all the knowledge that is there in the Vedas, which have been, consecrated in your honor in Jambudvipa. Next, Tvam Brahma Vidya Vidyanam Mahanidra cha Dehinam Skandamatar Bhagavati Durge Kantaravasini. You are the science of Brahmajnana among all sciences. You are the sleep at Pralaya. All Jivatmas, all creatures go into the unmanifested state. That unmanifested state is Devi. And you are the mother of Skanda, that is Kartikeya. And she possesses the 6 attributes of Bhagavan, Bhaga. And O Durga, she helps us get over all difficulties, and she lives in Kantaravasini, in the forest, and in fact, this is inaccessible to us unless we become devotees. Next, Swahakaraha Swadha Chaiva Kalakashta Saraswati Savitri Vedamata cha Tadha Vedanta Uchate. She is described as Swaha, who is considered the wife of Agni, Swaha Devi, and Swadha as Kala, Kashta, Saraswati, Savitri, Vedamata, and the science of Vedanta, which is the knowledge of the Vedas, which is the essence of all the Upanishads. Next, Stutasi Tvam Mahadevi Vishuddhe Nantaratmana Jayo Bhavatu Me Nityam Tvat Prasadat Ranajire. O great goddess, with my Atma, inner Atma, Antaratma purified, I adore you. Through your Anugraham, victory will attend me in battle. Kantara Bhayadurgeshu Bhaktanam Chalayesu cha Nityam Vasasi Patale Yuddhe Jayasi Dhanavan. You reside in this inaccessible regions where Rakshasas, Asuras are scared of reaching you because you will destroy them. And in times of difficulty, your worshippers and devotees find succor, find help. You are the terror of all the asuras. Tvam Jambhani, Tvam Jambhani Mohini cha Maya Hri Shrirasthaiva cha Sandhya Prabhavati chaiva Savitri Janani tatha. You are consciousness, Jambhani. Remember the double slit experiment in quantum mechanics in physics says that consciousness is the ultimate reality. And Devi is the consciousness. She is the Shakti of Krishna. You are consciousness. You are the sleep. You are the delusion. You are the modesty. You are beauty. You are the twilight. You are the day. You are the night. You are Savitri. You are the mother. So, Tvam Jambini Mohini cha Maya Hri Shri Rastaiva cha Sandhya Prabhavati chaiva Savitri Janani Tadha. Next, Tushti Pushtir Dhrutir Deepti Chandraditya Vivardhini Bhutir Bhutimatam Sankhye Vikshase Siddhacharanai. You are contentment, you are growth, you are bhaga, light, knowledge. You support the sun and the moon, you make them glow. You are the prosperity of those who are prosperous. You are the power of the siddhas and all the yogis who see you in samadhi. So, thus ends the Durga Stuti, and Sanjaya says, having understood Arjuna's prayer and with a wish to bless him, Devi appeared in the sky in full view of Krishna and Arjuna. Tatah parthasya vijnaya bhaktim manava vatsala antariksha gatovacha govindasya agrataha sthitah. And Devi spoke. Devya uvacha. Svalpenaiva tu kalena shatrun jeshyasi pandava. Svalpenaive tu kalena shatrun jeshyasi pandava. Narastvamasi durgharsha narayana sahayavan. O son of Pandu, you will definitely defeat your enemies in a very short period of time. You are invincible because you have Krishna himself to help you. Narayana Sahayavan. And then Devi says, you are incapable of being defeated. You are invictus, invincible by any foe, not even by Indra. So after saying this, the Devi disappeared. Ajeyastvam Rane Rane Arinamapi Vajrabhuta Swayam Ityeva Muktva Varada Kshane Nantaradhiyatam. So the Devi blessed him thus and disappeared. So Arjuna considered himself very blessed, and he mounted his chariot. Ladhva varam tu kaunteyo mene vijayamatmanah aruroha tatah partho ratham parama sammatam. Then Krishna and Arjuna both were seated in the chariot. They blew their conches, shankas. Krishna's conch is called Panchajanyam and Arjuna's conch is called Devadattam. Krishnarjuna Vekarathau. Krishnarjuna Vekarathau Divyau Shankhau Pradadmatuhu. Yaidam Pathet Stotram Kalya Uthyaya Manava. So he who chants this Durga Stuti will easily overcome all difficulties in life, and he will have nothing to fear from enemies or all kinds of difficulties. Okay, he will certainly win victory in all disputes, and he will be freed from all bonds and यक्ष रक्ष पिशाचेभ्य न भयं विद्यते सदा न चापि स्विपस्तेभ्य सर्पाद्या ये च दंष्ट्रिणः न भयं विद्यते तस्य सदा राजकुलादपि विवादे जयमाप्नोति. You will win in every dispute. विवादे जयमाप्नोति बुद्धो मुच्यति बन्धनात्. And you will get over all difficulties, and no thieves, nobody can rob you, defeat you. You will be ever victorious, and the goddess will shower prosperity on you. Durgam tarati chavashyam tatha chaurer vimuchyate sangrame vijayen nityam lakshmim prapnoti kevalam. And Sanjaya continues to say that he who chants the Durga Stuti will live a healthy life with strength and for the full span of 100 years. And he says that he has understood this through the grace of Vedavyasa. Arogya bala sampannau जीवेद वर्षशतं तथा एतद् दृष्टं प्रसादात्तु मया व्यासस्य धीमतः. And Sanjaya concludes by telling Dhritarashtra that your wicked sons, these fools, out of their ignorance, do not recognize Narayana, Krishna and Arjuna. Mohaditau na jananti Nara Narayana Vrushi Tava Putra Duratmanaha Sarve Manyuvashanugaha. So, Duratmana. And Sanjaya concludes by giving one more warning that your sons are entangled in the net of death. They do not realize that their last hour has come. Vyasa, Narada, Kanvarishi, Parashurama, all of them tried to discourage them from getting into this adharmic battle, but they never listened to anybody. And remember, where there is dharma, there is glory and prosperity and victory. And where there is humility, there is intelligence and prosperity. Where there is dharma, there is Krishna. And where there is Krishna, there is victory. So this last shloka goes like this. Prapta kalamidam vakyam kalapashena gunthitaha kalapashena dvaipayano naradascha kanvo ramasthathanagaha avarayam stavam sutam na chasau tad guhitavan yatra dharmo dyutihi kantiryanna hrihi shristhatha matihi yato dharmastato krishno yata krishno tato jayaha. Jai Shri Ram.